Children are afraid even to
and
go
our
inside
reporters
the
have
camps.
been there. The pictures that we're bringing to you
They're
are
afraid
taken
even
by
go
our
to this.
cameras in those camps to show you just what it's like. Nobody would be in those camps unless they had no other choice. C.R. Keshavan, I'd like to bring you in right now. Do you see a pattern in the things being said by the Samajwadi Party leadership and the things that they're actually doing in those camps right now? You've heard everything being said. Do you see a pattern here?
Shiv, first I see a pattern of tyranny. First I see a pattern of double standards, and I see a pattern of indifference and neglect. First thing I want to point out here is, when they started off, any bureaucrat, today you heard the, ridiculous and, utterly preposterous statement, of Mr. A.K. Gupta. Where does this trickle down from? It is very clear that the political establishment's attitude and approach is reflected by the bureaucrat here when he talked about Siberia and this, preposterous comment. Most importantly, what the Samajwadi Party is doing is a very classic case of running with the hares and hunting with the hounds. And let me make a point about their, hypocrisy and double standard here. These people, have, utterly gone and today the bulldozer, the morning Mr. Akhilesh Yadav made a statement saying you have to show restraint. But what has happened here? But I want to raise one moot point which is very important here to everybody here. Let us take the case of a senior sports director, Shailendra Kumar Singh, who was suspended very recently.
We're going to come to that issue in just a bit.
A moot point. I want to raise that. And he was suspended because he didn't do the swimming pool. And the Samajwadi Party accused all the other parties here, we should rally for the people and the children there. They said everybody is playing politics here. Let me just point out one thing. They said Shailendra Kumar Singh was very close to the, BSP dispensation.
That's right. That's what they said.
SP denies it, saying that no, it was because of his nonchalance and inefficiency. If that is the case, why have they not suspended A.K. Gupta today?
Keshavan, I'll pause you there for a moment because we have a full story on that particular, the swimming pool issue in Saifai. In fact, I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to get that question to you. But I want to bring in Zakia as well as Colin Gonzalez.